Nail art can also carry cultural and social significance. Different cultures have their own nail traditions and styles. For example, henna designs on nails are an integral part of Indian weddings and Pakistan also. While Japanese nail art is known for its intricate and delicate designs, nail art has also been a way to celebrate cultural festivals, showcase national pride, or pay homage to culture icons. In a social context, it can serve as a conversation starter and a way to bond over shared interest. Nail technicians show who specialize in nail art are true artists. They use various techniques from hand painting to airbrushing to create intricate and detailed designs on nails. These artists continually push the boundaries of what's possible with nail art, and their work is often awe-inspiring. Nail art competitions and exhibitions have emerged as platforms to showcase their artistic talents, highlighting the intricate and creative potential of nail design. Nail art is not immune to the influence of trends and pop culture. It adopts the evolves with the times, reflecting current events, show movements, and social movements, also popular culture. It can be a canvas for showing support for various causes, whether it's painting a flag to raise awareness for a social issue or sporting nail art inspired by a beloved movie, book, or TV show. Nail trends can spread rapidly through social media platforms like YouTube, and where nail artists and enthusiasts share their latest creations, inspiring others to try new styles. For many, getting nail art done is a social activity. Friends and families often schedule nail appointments together, creating opportunities for bonding and socialization. It's a chance to catch up and relax and enjoy each other's company. The communal aspect of nail care enhances its values beyond the aesthetics, making it a meaningful social experience.